Hello everyone, most welcome on my YouTube channel Shoki Insta Fashion. In this video, we will briefly discuss about another famous American Instagram model, Saterra Street Jean. Her real name is Saterra Street Jean. Birth date: Saterra Street Jean was born on 26 June 1995. Birthplace: Saterra Street Jean was born in Miami, Florida, United States of America. Nationality: American. Saterra Street Jean is plus-size model, bra educator, fuller bust model, fashion blogger, influencer, social media star, and Insta fashion celebrity. Figure size: Saterra Street Jean figure size is almost 38. Eyes color: Saterra Street Jean eyes color is brown and white. Height: Saterra Street Jean height is approximately 5 feet 4 inches tall, plus size model, curvy model. Body weight: Saterra Street Jean body weight is approximately 69 kilograms. Hairstyle: Saterra Street Jean's hair color is brownish and shiny. Net worth: Saterra Street Jean net worth is almost $14,000 per month. Her source of income is bra products and other products promotion on her Instagram account and other social media accounts. Marriage status: she has cute and handsome boyfriend. Maybe she is going to marry with him. Followers: Saterra Street Jean has 132,000 followers with 391 posts on her Instagram account at the time of making this video. Her Instagram account username is FullerBestBestie. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel Shoki Insta Fashion for more curvy models biography videos. Please visit our website getoverallinfo.com. Thanks for watching. Bye and love you dear viewers.